Before this episode starts, keep in mind these boys have no idea what they're doing. Beau and Brooke have set out to face the brutal outback of Australia with no experience at all. So we don't recommend you do this at home.
Hey guys, welcome back to Gone Wild Australia. Today we're out here with awesome SA charters and I got my first tuna. Yoo! Yeah!
Cutting for the day obviously. Yeah, there's a flush button on the right hand side, so you need to use them. Just hold it to about 5 seconds. It will draw fresh water, chop it up and throw it into the sea. If you're doing number 2, we might want to be moving off. You might get stink. Fire extinguisher there, another one at the front. There's a life ring up top. If someone falls over, just stay afloat. Don't try to swim to Kangaroo Island. So, any questions at all?
What's the likelihood of tuna? Are we at the end of the season or?
We're towards the end, yeah, but we're still seeing them jumping out over a place, so yeah, hopefully we'll get some.
You got me on board now, Dan. So
yeah, we got it.
So I see they had a crocodile off the beach there near the ski club.
I think Northern Territory is the worst place to open up a ski club. Were there kids in the area or?
Well, I've seen them swimming in the water there. And you got a ski club and a sailing club, like,
Jeez.
I'd be worried. I'm a water skier, but I'm a bit worried.
Yeah, you would be.
Chloe loves putting the camera in people's face. This is a bit better than our polycraft. Yeah, we need a bigger boat.
Yeah. Alright boys, bets on, $5. Whoever catches the first fish.
First fish?
Yeah, I'm just giving it away.
As you saw in the last video, we were going to give away a fishing rod. We didn't hit 150 likes. So if we hit 150 likes in this video, guys, we're going to give away a Commando fishing rod. So like, comment down below and you go on the chance and we'll ship it anywhere in the world.
Guys, we want to give away this rod. Just like and comment.
It takes like literally 20 seconds. Coming out of
Cyclone.
Don't ask too many technical questions about what the display means. Because no one knows.
So today we're going for tuna, snapper and sharks. We've got literally about 20 rods on board. I've never gone for tuna. Guys, make sure you put down in the comments #TeamBrook.
Hashtag Team Beau, let's go, let's go. Slapping and whacking down, I keep sitting on something I don't want to be sitting on. Killing me.
As I was just saying, a boat would be so screwed in our polycraft in this little water.
We're done. We'd be done out on our polycraft. We'd be seeing the bottom of the ocean right now.
I was just saying, boy, guys, that's more of a reason for every single one of you to subscribe to our Patreon, so we can eventually buy a boat like this, an absolute monster.
And if we do buy a monster like this, we'd be taking one of our Patreons out every week. We'll put B-roll right now of us sinking our boat. It was an absolute nightmare, but it's definitely worth watching. If you want to check it out, click down below. So there's birds over there, guys, and old mate was just saying if they start diving down, it's a good sign that there's fish around. Look at these waves there. Yeah.
Oh no, oh no.
Someone drove your car last night? Go to Costco?
Oh, my dad, probably.
Yeah, I probably saw him.
Oh, really?
I was like, I saw your van, because I watched
Oh, that's
your
nuts.
video.
In Prospect?
Yeah, in Costco.
Oh, okay,
I went to Costco to get some.
Oh, so that would have been, what, around 6, 7?
Yeah.
That was my dad.
I was like, is this a franchise or something? There must be a few cars.
Yeah.
So something's popped up on the sounder. We've been out maybe for about an hour trying to find a good spot. Captain's seen about 3 or 4 different things pop up on the sounder, so hopefully it's tuna.
that sort of stuff. Yeah, anything.
Oh, okay,
in
yeah.
between, everything.
So is that's the bottom there?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the bottom there.
Okay.
That's crazy.
How big was the shark? Did you actually see it or?
Nah. Probably about 2 meters.
Just chomped on it.
Yeah, we caught 3, lost about 5.
Wow.
Yeah, that was thick. It's been they've gone away the last few weeks, but
Yeah.
it was really thick.
What's the most amount of tuna you've caught out here?
There were days where you put a lure in, within 2 minutes you'll get snapped down.
Nuts.
When they're really active and you've
Yeah.
found a big school,
Yeah.
you catch as much as you want.
How big do they get? Like, size?
15, 20 kilos.
Wow.
Yeah. I think the biggest one that was caught in the tuna comp a few months ago was 21.
Oh.
Yeah, they're not very big. But this time of year we get booked to go Port MacDonald
Oh yeah.
for the 100 kilo tuna.
That's nuts.
Yeah, so there's a few getting
100
caught the last
kilos.
week.
100 kilo tuna, what length would that be?
About 2 meters.
Wow.
And you stand next to it and you hold the tail like that.
Look at him! That is so cute. That's a big shark.
Guys, I just asked Beau if he's feeling better.
When's donkey? Alright, so there's heaps of jumpers here and they look like really big fish, like tuna.
Big cross anyway.
Yeah.
Here we
Very
go,
big
here we go,
cross.
here we go, here we go.
Alright, so let's go. Are you sure that's my rod?
Yeah, you want it? Here you go, you go.
Yeah. Oh, sweet.
And the phone ring.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful tuna.
Oh,
Nice.
Hang on.
Net there?
come on.
Oh, the net backward.
Oh,
Nice, bro.
yes! That's like my
Well
dream fish, dude.
That's awesome, bro. You feel sick anymore?
No, I don't feel sick at all.
That's awesome. So he literally just said it's the smallest fish of the season.
Awesome charters, do it big or go home, I think.
Awesome SA charters.
Also, let's say chat.
So Brooke just grabs my rod and he's like, yeah, I'm on. I'm like, dude, that's my rod.
You're just looking at me like, dude.
Other boys, let's do one more photo and then we'll bleed them out.
Okay.
Ow. The amount of times I smash right here.
Yep, the back corner. Beautiful. Oh, either.
Alright, boys. I just want to give this to myself. Oh, yeah. Well done.
We either do metro inshore from North Haven.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you want to go offshore for bigger stuff, shark, tuna.
So guys, if this is something you'd be interested in, I'll put the link at the top of the description. It's awesome, great fun.
Nah, because everyone that watches our channel don't like catching big fish, so I don't think this is something they're into.
Oh, really?
Joke.
Watch you guys.
So Dan, when these birds dive, how do they get the tunas out from the water?
They bite on bait fish, so small bait fish.
Oh, they're not pulling the tunas
No,
out.
no.
I was just pulling your leg. Oh.
There's a tuna heart for you to eat.
Oh, cool. Check out all the bait fish that was in its stomach. This is what it was eating. This is a tuna heart that you can eat for sashimi. It's actually nice. Yum.
What it tastes like?
Kind of like, I don't mind it. It's kind of like livery.
It's not really got any taste.
Yeah, so guys, we wanted to give you guys a little bit of a plan of what we're doing. We said, I think it was in episode 15, that we're coming to Western Australia, which we are. We're leaving tomorrow to go to Western Australia.
And guys, keep in mind, we have not fished WA. I mean, I've never been to WA as is. So if you have been there, you live there, and you have some good fishing locations, be sure to put them down in the comments, because as you guys know, we're still learning and we want to catch some absolute monsters. But also keep in mind, we do have a tiny 3.5 meter polycraft, so we can't go out to sea, but we can go along the coast. So
yeah, which is what I was also going to say, is if you also have a boat and you'd like to take a step out, we'd be more than keen to come with you guys. So
yeah guys, as we're building, we obviously can't take that tiny polycraft boat out, even though we'd like to try.
We will.
Oh yeah.
And what's that one called again?
That's a snook.
This type of fishing that we're doing right now is either handline fishing or paraveining fishing. Yeah, so it looks like floated vise. It's called a paravane, and it's designed to take the line under. So when a fish does hook on, it will pop straight up because the weight of the fish holding it back will pop it up. So.
Big tank today. Fish a bit more. Just chilled, you know.
Good.
Yeah, it's nothing like, you know, when you get sushi restaurants, nothing like it.
Out of 10.
I'll give it a 10, man.
Cooked fish. But they can eat sashimi.
Yeah.
That's hot.
Yeah, too much wasabi.
Because it doesn't smell.
Try it.
Without wasabi?
Oh, yeah.
Is that frame?
Hard on this.
Oh, the wings.
Guys, that is incredible.
Let's make a
It melts in your mouth.
I know. Before you started fishing, you hated
I hated a lot of fish.
You hated sushi. You couldn't eat it raw.
But now I love it.
You always used to be like, oh, yuck.
The video will be up Sunday, 7 PM.
Sunday.
Yeah.
No worries.
Yeah,
Thanks for that, man.
every Sunday.
No worries, man.
Have a good one, bro. Nice to meet you too.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, man.
No worries.